Hey y'all, Irix Guy here, and this is how to power on and power off DJI Flip. So to power it on, this is actually really cool. The act of unfolding it powered it on, so I didn't have to push the power button. And then after it powers on, what I can do to power it off, do the rear, the front.
Aircraft will power off in 5 seconds. Press any button on aircraft to cancel.
And you can see that little green light, which is the power indicator, those green lights, they went off, indicating it's powered off. So simply unfolding powers on, folding powers off. Now, let's say you unfold it and it's powered on, but you don't want to fold it up to power it off. I don't know why you might would want to do that. But to power it off, there's a button here on this side, right beside where the battery indicators are, the little green lights. You can do tap, tap.
Circle.
Oops. And be careful, because there's a button on the other side. If you push it, it'll interrupt the power off. So for that reason, maybe hold your fingers towards the base of the drone. And then on this, to power off, to power on, because it did power off even though I pushed the other button, but to power on you could do tap, tap, and you'll see it'll start to power on. So it's a tap, a quick tap, and then a extended tap. So same with the powering off. See, it's on, I do tap, tap, and it'll flash, and then eventually it'll power off. So those are the ways to power on and power off DJI Flip. Again, the most simplistic way is simply unfolding it and it powers on, and then folding it and it powers off. But you can also use the physical power button as I just demonstrated. So if you don't know how to power on and power off DJI Flip, you do now. So I hope this video helped. Be sure to subscribe, ring that bell, and check out all my DJI Flip videos. Check out all my other drone videos too. I've been flying drones since DJI Phantom 1. So check out my thousands of drone videos and subscribe and ring that bell, and stay tuned for thousands more drone videos here soon on youtube.com/Irix Guy. Y'all have a good day. Hey y'all, Irix Guy here. I hope you enjoyed this video, and please be sure to subscribe to my channel, and when you do, ring that bell icon to be notified whenever I post another video. Thanks for your viewership, and y'all have a good day.